Hey guys, Phil Gertis here from Phil and Victoria Gertis of Long and Foster Real Estate, Christie's International, and I am again inviting you to a special event that's going to be held this July 21st. It's a Sunday from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. right here on the Chesapeake Bay. Imagine this was your home. Imagine every single day you got to look out from your beautiful estate and see all this gorgeous bay. But here's the thing I want you to understand. That's what you're looking from. Show them what they're looking from. Guys, right here, we have the Love Point Estate. This is an almost 10,000 square foot estate that is immaculately appointed and just spectacular inside. So, yes, you are invited July 21st from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. to just spend some time with us at this beautiful estate and really enjoy it, see what it's like to live here, but don't wait until the 21st. I'm encouraging you to reach out to us right now. Call us now and schedule a private tour beforehand, because you don't want to show up and the house is packed and somebody else puts a bid on the house and you miss out. So don't wait. Call us now. Put the event on your calendar, but call us now and schedule your own private tour so your bid can get in early. Thanks. We'll see you there. Bye.